Hello everyone, especially to my virtual student. Welcome to Andre Craft Show. Today's project, I'm going to make this beautiful peace lily, as you can see. So there are 3 parts of this one, but we will see if I will make it in one video. But if not, we will have a part 2. So this is how peace lily looks like. As you can see. Like that. These are the materials that we are going to need. Scissors and a cutter for your wire. 2 size of wire. This one for the stem, the big one, and this one I'm using 0.8 mm size, so it will hold nicely for your big leaf. 3 colors of yarn. White, this one, or you can use yellow, and then the green for the leaf. Let's get started. First, I will make the petal, and then second, this one, and then maybe I will make another video for the leaf. So, I will start first the white color yarn. Make 20 chain as your foundation. 2, 3, 4, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 chain plus 1. Then single crochet all the way back. 1, 2, 3. I'll see you here. 18, 19, 20. So from here, you're gonna chain 1, and in the same stitch you're gonna do 1 single crochet, and then next chain another 1 single crochet, so there are 2 single crochet. So do another 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. Remember this pattern because we're gonna do this same pattern on this side, going back like that. Okay, so 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet. Next will be double crochet. 1, 2, and then and the third double crochet you're gonna increase. So every third double crochet you increase. Again, I will do it. 1, 2, 3. This will be increased. So increase means 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Again, 1, 2, then increase 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. You should have 14 double crochet. So let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now you're gonna do 2 half double crochet. 1, 2, single crochet. So now you will start in the next side, but you will do the same counts, okay? But before that, we have to single crochet more and then chain 1. This single crochet and 1 chain should be your center. So now I'm gonna start 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and then another 2 half double crochet. 2, and then I will repeat the increase of double crochet. 1, 2, then increase which means again it's 2 double crochet in one stitch. So there should be total of 14 double crochet. I'll see you when you reach here, when you have 14 double crochet. So I have 13, and then this will be the last one, which is 14 double crochet. The next will be 2 half double crochet, and then 2 single crochet. 1, 2 2 single crochet, I mean. So now to finish it, you're gonna slip stitch here, and then slip stitch one more time in here. After the slip stitch, you're gonna do chain 1. So this is gonna be the end of our second row. For the next row, you're gonna crochet with the wire. So we already have chain 1. Just insert the wire here and bend it over so it's easy for you to crochet. First, you're gonna do 1 single crochet here, and then after that you're gonna do 6 half double crochet. Okay, so this is different, huh? 6 half double crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Adjust the wire. So now after the 6 half double crochet, you're gonna do 11 double crochet without increase. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11. Now after the 11 double crochet, you're gonna do again 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 6 half double crochet, you're gonna do chain 1 to start for the other side. Alright, so 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 6 half double crochet, you're gonna do again 11 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11. After the 11 double crochet, you're gonna repeat the counting which I did here. So if you are crocheting with me, yes, just follow how it's done. So now we're gonna do 6 half double crochet. 1, 2, 5, 6. Now after this, first slip stitch here. You cannot see clearly because it's white, but I hope you can just follow how I did it. Slip stitch, and then chain 1, Now you're gonna do single crochet from here to here. When you reach here, I will show you what you're gonna do. Just locate where it is. Before you reach here, there should be 2 stitches left, because what you're gonna do with the 2 stitches, first you're gonna half double crochet. You've been doing all single crochet here, but when you reach here, before the middle one, you do half double crochet and 1 double crochet. After that, chain 5 and then single crochet, 2 single crochet going back, 1, 2, and then half double crochet, 1, 2. Now normally when we do picot, we normally just slip stitch here, but we will not do that. We will again do 1 more half double crochet. Instead here, we do here. Okay, so I'll insert this hook here and then do half double crochet, and then 1 more half double crochet in the same stitch where I start the double crochet earlier. So I'll insert here for 1 more half double crochet. So this is what we call picot. So now to continue, you just have to one more half double crochet in the next stitch, and then the rest will be all single crochet here. Single crochet until you finish here, and I'll see you when you reach here. Now I'm almost finished, so all you're gonna do is slip stitch here where you insert your first wire, okay, and then slip stitch and then 1 chain. Cut the yarn, then you just have to adjust this petal. If you are happy with the adjustment, then you can lock the wire here and then tie this tail, this extra yarn, to secure the project that you made. And then after this, of course, there you have it. So we will make the seeds, or this one, anther, this part of the flower. So all you need to do, you just have to change the color of your yarn. I will be using this color, light green, or you can use yellow actually. So to start with this one, you do a magic ring, chain 1 and 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you slip stitch on top of the first single crochet, which is this one here. Okay, so slip stitch, single crochet. Again, this time you will be remembering this count because this will be repetitive. So I already chain 1. Be careful of the counting and where you end or where you slip stitch, because we don't want to increase while we are doing it. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 'It's a little bit tricky, but it's just in the beginning. Eventually you will have a tube, kind like a small tube. So I'm gonna slip stitch here. How many was that? Oh no, actually 5 more. And slip stitch here. If you are a beginner, better to have a marker so you don't get confused. So slip stitch and then chain 1, push it out to form like this. You see? So be careful, be mindful with your counting. Again, chain, already chain 1. So single crochet, 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 5, and then slip stitch, chain 1. Here you will put a stitch mark, single crochet here, 1, 2, 3. I didn't put markers because it's gonna be very tight. But yeah, if you have small markers, will do. 4 and then 5. Always be mindful of the counting because we don't want to increase. Otherwise, if you don't notice, you will be increasing, it will become wider like that. So if you stay in where it is, like this now, I have extra stitch here. Don't get confused on that stitch. You have to slip stitch here where your marker is. Otherwise, if you get confused, then if you put some more single crochet on that, the total will be 6. You will not notice it because it's very small. But yeah, as I've said, just don't increase. We will hide this tail anyway. Like that, and then chain 1. You can hide this tail. I'll see you when you have 8 centimeters long. You just have to repeat that pattern. I already have enough 8 centimeters long. I will just have to chain 1 and then cut the yarn. You are now finished with the second part of the flower. So we have this petal and this one. In part 2, I will be showing you how I make the leaf. So I think this one is long enough. So yeah, see you in part 2. I will also show you how I will assemble this peace lily. I hope you like my video and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.